Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 720. Chapter The Knowledge of the Council Chamber. Sage Dadichi was very famous among the ancient sages. He was a savage devotee. When Indiran requested the sage to give his backbone to make Vajrayudha to kill Viritigasura, he sacrificed his life and gave the backbone to him. Due to his sacrifice, both devas and kings had great respect for the sage. Dakkan, son of Brahma, did not respect Lord Shiva, and he did not think about Lord Shiva at any point of time. Those who came to know of this attitude, they asked him not to turn enemy to Lord Shiva and he should go to Kailaya, pay his respects and return. Dakkan too went to Kailaya and sought permission there to meet Lord Shiva. As Lord Shiva was on dhyana, the Shiva Jnanas presented there turned him back. Dakkan came back and narrated what had happened to him at Kailaya, and he regretted that too much. Further, he forced all not to pray Lord Shiva thereafter. Dakkan wanted to insult Lord Shiva and hence arranged for yagna. He did not invite Lord Shiva as he decided to insult him by not giving Avirbhaga. Knowing this, the Dadichi sage felt sad. He came to the Yagashala and met Dakkan. He told him that doing yagna by insulting the Lord Shiva would end in misery and it was not proper. He advised, without the presence of Lord Shiva, you should not perform yagna. Hence, he told him not to go ahead with the yagna. But Dakkan did not pay heed to the advice, and due to his anger over Lord Shiva, he lost his wisdom and ridiculed the Dadichi sage for his advice. Having insulted Sage Dadichi, came out of the Yagasala as his words of good deed went unheeded, and he regretted too much. The other sages too felt very bad about Dakkan's behavior for not heeding to the advice of the sage Dadichi. Men of wisdom speaking at the assembly of illiterate people will go waste like the nectar spilt on the floor of a dirty entrance. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in Thirukkural as follows. Anganathul ukka அமிழ்தற்றால் தங்கணத்தார் அல்லார் முன் கோட்டிக்கொளல். I recite. அங்கணத்துள்ளுக்க அமிழ்தற்றால் தங்கணத்தார் அல்லார் முன் கோட்டிக்கொளல். Speaking to foolish people will lower the status. Speaking to wisdom people will raise the status. Thank you very much indeed. Nandri, Vanakkam.